today we want to do our morning market analysis of the day. So let's get into it. We want to start by going to see what are the news which are going to affect the markets today, and then we are going to move to trading view to see if there is like some movements that we need to notice before everything. So this is going to be our Monday market analysis, and then this is the first analysis that is going to give us a way to see how the market is going to move during the week. So we want to start by the news. So let's go to the news. So today is Monday. So Monday we have core retail sales, and which is core retail sales of NZD, and then we have Canadian corporate profits, and then we have USD, and USD have an orange folder which is Treasury SEC Benson speaks. So we have to watch out in New York session the orange folder. So this orange folder is good, and it is also going to create like some volatile, but not the same as the red folder news, but it's okay to check on it because you never know what will happen. And also after this, we also have this financial juice for our this financial juice gives like news for any instance. Let's say you have like something just happened, like Iran just bombed Israel. This financial juice keeps on giving like full news. So this is why I like this one to always look on it. And also Forex Factory is for like big news which are detailed news. This one is for those news that can come like sudden in the market and cause like some crazy movement. And also it is good because it gives news for other countries, like not just the ones that are main pairs. They give you whole news of the whole entire world. So right now we want to go to trading view. So in trading view we are going to analyze the market. So we want to start with EURUSD. As you see, I have already opened my trading view. So I want to do an analysis for EURUSD and the other pairs which follows. So like right now we want to start by saying we want to know what is the market saying, but we can't do it right now. We need to see the structure first, where the market is targeting and why it is moving to that direction. So right now we want to see, we start by saying which structure is the market like providing or like showing us. Right now I can say this market is in a ranging move. If you can see, it is ranging, the market is ranging, but without drawing like the lines you can see it. So this is our resistance level, and this is our support level. So we have our resistance level right here, let's say here, and then our support level. So this is what we need to draw, because we have analyzed that the market is moving in a ranging section like this. It is not trending, it's just moving in ranging. So, and also it is not choppy, it is ranging. It have like a support a support on the bottom and a resistance where the market is going to hit, and then when it hit there, it came back to the bottom to get supported and also go up. And then it is also like doing like a trend while moving to the resistance, and also which a trend which is an uptrend and a downtrend to the downside. So right now we want to check if we can see another thing that we need to take advantage of, because there are so many things to highlight here. We have this high, this one. This high is the highest point where the market reversed in like January, and this is the lowest point where it reached to the support level in March, and also returned to the upper side in like mid-May, April year, and then it also went to the downside to create this bottom, like with double bottom. And now we want to see what is the market doing here. The market is creating this high, the reversed high, like the highest point where the market starts reversing, and this one is our low. So this one will become our lower high, and this will become our lower low. This one, lower high and lower low. I can see that the market is trending to the downside also. We can see that. And also we have these lower highs which are happening inside. If you can see inside the downtrend, there is like some impulse move and retracements, impulse retracement. So right now the market, even when you see when the market is moving to the upper side, it is also producing that impulse and retracement, and also here impulse and retracement. And then after that we go to our current candlesticks. So this was just a previous analysis. Now we want to go to see where the market will likely go. So right now we will see if the market have reached the area that it can reverse, but now it didn't reach there. So we want it to prove itself so that we can see if it is going to keep on moving up or start going down, or it wants to do like collection of liquidity. But right now, from what I can see, the market have now reached this level. If you can see it, this one, where the market returned to the downside when it was here. So we'll look to the right, is it to the right or the left? To the left. We'll look to the left and see what the market did in the past. So the market gives a pullback, or prints a pullback here, and now on our current market price, it also rejected on that same pullback. So this means that the market behaves using the previous information. So right now it reversed here, but is it the point where we think that the market will return to the downside? I don't think so, because we still have some of the supply here. We have supply level here. So this is the supply zone that I think the market wants to hit before moving to the downside, because we can say the market is moving using this like trend. You see this trend. So right here we want to see, because if we use this one, we need to draw another line for the markets. Yes, like this. Is it like this or like this? I don't know this strategy of trend lines, but I don't want to include here. We want to use support, we want to use demand, supply and demand. So we don't want to use that because it is like too complicated to use. I don't know how to use it. I will just use my strategy. But if you see it, if you are able to draw it, or if you are able to draw a line that touches two high points or three at the same time, you will see that at this point the market is just like creating a liquidity or a zone where it wants to return to the downside. So right here we will see that the market isn't like fully finished its move to the upside. That's why I say we need to give the market time for it to prove itself. So from this one we'll go to GBPUSD, and also let me remove my old drawings. So on this one, GBPUSD, we also have a ranging market drawing two lines, the one which is the resistance and the other one which is the support. So we have our resistance level and our support level if we say the market is doing a ranging. So when we do this, it becomes clear that the market will reverse at the resistance and also reverse at the support level, as the market is being controlled by those levels. So right now we want to see if it is producing some high highs, some lower lows, lower highs, and higher highs, higher lows, when the market is moving to the downside to go to the support level, and when the market is moving to the upper side, creating an uptrend. So now we are able to see that the market is now at the stage where it reached the resistance level. So we don't know if it is going to leave here. There is like liquidity on top of this, because I always check on the areas where the liquidity is hanging before trying to trade, because that is the area where the market wants to take out first before it moves to the direction that you think the market will go. So right now we'll check if it did that before moving to the downside. So on GBPUSD we have this analysis. So this analysis is a good analysis. So we want to see like some double tops, double bottom, double tops, some like W's or M's, some left shoulder, right shoulder, and the head. We want to see it. We want to see some like doji or armor or something, so that we can say is the market have now fully reversing. But from what I am able to see, I am able to zoom out. I see the market have created a change of structure here. It is changing like structure, and also on the 4-hour it is creating this like pullbacks to say this zone we are calling it a supply zone for our move to the downside. But if you can see it, we need like a move that is going to be a right move, because we have all of these areas, but we can say this one this week and go to the right, to the left side, and see what the market did. So this is the far area, but it have already retested by this movement to it. If you can see, this is the support level, the supply level that I was saying. So, and now the market have went to reach this one, the second supply level, which is like the stronger supply level that I can see. But we need a move that is going to be a good move. When the market is at like top level, it is hard to get these type of entries, but we are going to get them, because we are going to be able to see and understand what is the market telling us. So right now, we want to see the markets telling us more, and like starting to open trades right here. I think it is a bad idea, but I think I'm able to see like a possible trade that I can take to the downside of the markets. I will see during the day what I did on it. So I will see what I did on this one, but I will need like some confirmation, because this level can be a rejection. You see, this one, when the market is moving, let's say the market is moving like this, when it reaches right here, it will create like a pullback like this. So I think this area is the same. See, this one is the same as this one. If it stays at lower levels below here, if it stays low, I will consider this as a move to the downside like this. You see, and then I will take my trade from. So right now I will need like a move to the downside. Let me highlight it. If it is a real move, I will need a move to the downside to confirm the direction, and then a move to the upside, because market is always moving in both direction, buyers and selling, no matter the direction. So yes, this is the thing that I'll wait for, like the move that I'll wait for before I will suggest that this is a good trade. A move to the downside and a move to the upside, and then I will take my trade at the pullback, the second pullback right here. I'll take my trade as the second pullback. I'll ignore the first move because it's also going to reverse, and this will give me a confirmation that the market is now fully moving to the downside. So yes, we'll move to USD JPY. Let me remove the drawings. On USJPY, it is moving to the upside direction, creating a trending market. If you see it, it is trending to the upper side, and I don't want to interfere in this type of charts because I don't know what the story or what is causing the chart to behave like this, because I didn't take JPY serious, because JPY, it because of the rates and stuff and oil and stuff, it is always being affected. So it doesn't have a specific move that I can say this one I'll catch it and I'll win it. But if I see the analysis is good, I'll try my best to catch and trade it. But right now, I can't say we have an analysis that we can analyze on JPY and be able to profit on it. Let's go to AUD USD. Shit, my chart is very dirty. Let's go to AUD USD. So this AUD USD needs to be right now. Let's focus on this one, because the chart is showing that it is moving to the upper side, creating this higher high, high low, higher high, high low, moving to the upper side. So we need to see carefully. But AUD, I don't usually trade it. I can't say I hate trading AUD USD, but it's hard for me to see where it is going and why it is going there. This is the area that I need to focus more on, but also I need to see from the left what is causing this type of trend or moves, because we see that the market is at this point and its last high is this one, and also we have this area where it can try to reach before moving to the downside. So it have a lot and it needs some waiting. It needs some waiting, a very, very, very long time to wait. And also if we say we need to focus more on this one, if we say we need to focus more on this one, it is also going to be hard for us to say now the market is buying or selling, because I can't see any possibility that the market will buy or it will sell. And then we go to our gold. So our gold is now moving to the upper side. Keep on moving to the upper side, and it is now at the area that I was looking for in the previous week. I was saying gold was going to reach this area. what is happening to my mouse. I can't even like draw my drawings peaceful. So right now, yes, this is the area that I was thinking that the market was going to hit before reversing to the downside, or anything that it will do. So right now I'm just waiting, because God need like some confirmation before taking any trades. So I will see what is causing like the move to the downside that I want to take, but I will see if it is going to keep on buying or it will reverse on the zone. But right now I'll just wait and see if it is going to prove itself that it is going to sell or keep on buying. And now we go to our NZD. NZD, I also have a trade on NZD, and this trade, I said I want to sell the market starting from here to the downside. So let's see if the market is doing any kind of behavior. I can see that the market is like doing a ranging style or a downtrending style, but if you see, all these lows are in the same, you see, at the same level. These lows, this low, this low, this low, and the market is moving to the downside, but these lows are now at the same level. If you can see them, they're now at the same level. These lows are now at the same level. So I don't know what is happening to it, but this, we can focus maybe on this area where it reversed to reach this one, and also this area we need to focus more on it. This area, these are the areas that we need to focus more on. Like, we need to see if it is going to move to the upside, breaking to this side, or going to go down. So we need to be careful about it. So let's go to 1 day. If you go to 1 day, we'll see that the market is also doing like some ranging. Is also doing some ranging. And also we have these levels. So we need to see what is happening to those levels. The market is ranging. It wants to change direction to go to buying side, but it can't go to buy side because we see like some rejection, and it cannot produce any move that we can say, yes, now it have fully gained the move to the downside. So we go to daily. This was our daily, what we have analyzed, the market is creating like some low levels right here. If you can see that it even like reached this low, we said it is the low for reversing. because all the markets, when they reached this low, they were reversing, and now these legs are just hanging, and this was the previous low, but it was not lower than this one, which is on the left side. So let's see. From what I can say, I have seen on the NZDUSD, because the pair have a lot to prove. So, but right now, from what I can see right now, I am able to see that it is trying to reject forcefully, with a lot of force sellers are coming in, but we will see if it will keep on going to the upside. So yes, this is it for NZD. We'll go to USD card. USD card is strict to the downside. It is moving to the downside heavily, and yes, we are able to see that this pair is like doing some uptrend. I can say uptrend, yes, but I will see what is what the structure of this pair doing, because I can't see like very fully what is it doing. But we saw that the market have reached this level, and also this level we have to take it into account, and we also have to take which one okay, maybe this one, this level into account, this level where the market is just reversing and going up, reversing, going up. We need to check on them, and then we want to see also this zone need to be taken into account, where it created this selling candle. So it can act as our demand for the pullback to the upside, but we need to give it time. So USD card also, we need to give it time for me to say yes, this is the trade that I think I will take. I will need the market to prove or to show itself before I take the trade. So right now we'll go to other pairs, and this is what sorry for the mess, and this is another page. So this is like GBPUSD. We see that the market is moving to the upper side, creating these lower highs, these higher lows and higher highs, but we want to see what is really happening right now. If it is going to go up or if it is going to go down, but we need to focus more on the current. We go to daily. Let's go to day. If we want to see some rejection. If the market is thinking of going to the upside, we use those. Yes, this one. we want to take into account the level which is right here, because there are some false, like weak order blocks, and there are some strong order blocks. And also, if I was thinking that the market was consolidating here, trying to go to the upside because of this order block. So I think the market is going to go to the upper side to reach this high, but right here there is a move that we need to look for before we consider the market. It is good to trade. You see, this low is a good thing, and then you see this low, it's a good thing. And also, if you are able to see that the market have also rejected from going to the upside to do this double bottom, another good sign. And also we have the market clearing all the hanging or the laying orders right here. That is another sign that the market is trying to show you it is a good. So right now, if you want to open a trade on GBP NZD, you need to wait for another confirmation, which is going to be a move to the upside to reach like this high, which will change the structure on this pullback, because we don't want the markets to be the reversal to be lower than this one, because we need to see the change of structure so that we can say yes, now the market is fully retained or fully changed the direction. So take our trade here when the market did this. Also here, this is the area we'll take our trade, targeting this high like this. So this one is a trade that will take another time, not right now. We'll give it time. And GBPUSD, yeah, it's Euro NZD. It's always good to, and then okay, that will be good. Yes, this is GBP pushing NZD and Euro pushing NZD. That is correct and also good. And we need to remove these drawings before we did an analysis. So on Euro NZD, we are also looking for the market structure first. It's like we are doing some movement to the downside. If you can see, we want to zoom to see if there is lower lows or lower lows, because we have this first lower low. It's just a move, and that's a double bottom which created this move to the upside, which reached this level. And we have another lower here which created this move to reach here. And right here we have this, area that I think the markets are going to respect, creating another low. Let me highlight it. This one, very special. creating a lower point to the downside, showing its true nature of moving to the downside. As I say, it is like a trending market to the downside. So we need to see it like this. We need to see it like that. We need to see it like that, so that we will see if it is moving to the downside or it is just ranging. But if it is ranging, we are going to take the market like this. If it moves to the upper side and clear all the highs on top and then moves to the downside, that is going to be cool, because if it is moves to the upper side and clear all the liquidity on top, it will then move to the downside to do the same, and then I will take the trade on this level where it will create another high, because this level will be this one. And also I am also going to take another trade right here where it will create a high point, because there will be like two trades. You see this area, it will be a good trade at this one. It will be a good trade that I will take. Right now I will leave it. Maybe it will go there. If it go there, I'll wait for it to show itself. Maybe a move. Let me move this one. Let me move it. So if it moves to the upper side like this, I'll wait for it to change, yeah, like this. Then I'll take the trade to the downside like this. Or it will do like this. Yes, most of the time it will do like this. And then I'll take a trade right here. You see, I'll take the trade right here to the downside. And then we'll go to GBPUSD. So GBPUSD is hard for us to analyze. I don't want to analyze it now because the structure of it is not that good, but I will see if it is going to create a move on tomorrow market analysis. I will see. And also I'll go to USD Swiss franc, and then USD Swiss franc. It have a lot of drawings. So now I don't want to analyze also this one because it have an uptrend like this, but it doesn't have another confluences that I will say I'll need for me to open trades on it. So this is it for the market analysis of Monday. What is the date today? 24 August. So yes. We will see you in the next market analysis, maybe tomorrow or Wednesday, but I will keep on doing like consistent market analysis because I am trying to be like consistent, doing like market analysis every day and posting it on my channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like and share the videos. And also you can also join like my like groups. I have a Telegram group and also a WhatsApp channel. I don't have like a Discord, but I'll have it soon. So if you want to know more, like give some like access to my daily trades, you just like join the WhatsApp channel or the Telegram group. So I will see you in the next market analysis tomorrow.